Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. Today we'll be making 3 types of salsas, red, green, and queso, perfect as toppings or standalone dips. Spicy.
Are you okay? Because you're sweating pretty profusely.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I always react this way to spicy food.
Or mild. I'm adding some heat to the recipe, but you can adjust it according to your level of tolerance. So let's get to the salsas. The red salsa ingredients include 4 fresh tomatoes, a half a whole onion, 1 jalapeno or serrano pepper, 4 garlic cloves, 1 lime, a half a cup to 1 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, tortilla chips, and you'll need an electric blender. Prepare the veggies, the whole tomatoes, sliced onion, garlic, and pepper to broil for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll need to keep an eye on it. You want the skins to be somewhat charred to give that smoky flavor. Remove the roasted veggies to cool. You'll notice the skins of the tomatoes pulling away when it's ready. Once cooled, you can peel the tomato skins or leave as is. It won't change the salsa either way. Also remove the garlic skins. Remove the jalapeno stem and seeds. And always be sure to wash your hands after handling peppers. Next, we're going to blend the veggies by adding the roasted tomatoes first, jalapeno, onions, and garlic. Be sure to add the juice also, as this will add to the flavor. Now it's ready to blend up. Add the chopped cilantro, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. In case you need to add more of the spices, always taste as you go. Then add fresh lime juice and blend one more time to incorporate the flavors. Give it another taste before pouring into a serving dish. And that's it for the warm and delicious red salsa. Next, we have the green salsa. The process is the same as the red salsa, but we'll be using green tomatoes or tomatillos instead. The green salsa ingredients include 6 tomatillos or green tomatoes, a half a red onion, 1 jalapeno or serrano pepper, 4 garlic cloves, 1 lime, a half a cup to 1 cup of fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and an electric blender. Just like before, we're going to roast or broil the tomatillos, onion, jalapeno, and garlic in the oven. Begin with removing and discarding the paper-like skins from the tomatillos. Using a paring knife, I'm removing the jalapeno stem and seeds for a milder version this time. You can also use a spoon to do this, or feel free to leave them if you want the heat. Heat the oven to broil. Once the oven is heated, place the veggies in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on them since ovens do vary. Remove the veggies to cool. The skins of the tomatillos will be charred, which is what you want, and will pull away easily when it's ready. Once cooled, remove the tomatillo stems away. Remember, don't be alarmed by the char on the skins. This adds that smoky flavor that we do want. Now it's time to blend up the veggies. Add the roasted tomatillos first, then jalapeno, onions, and garlic, and include the juices from the broiler pan. There's flavor in that. Then add the chopped cilantro, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and fresh lime juice, and blend once more before giving it a final taste before serving. So that's how the green salsa is done. Warm and tangy because of the tomatillos, and mild because the seeds were removed from the jalapeno. Two down and one more to go, folks. Next we have the chile con queso. The chile con queso ingredients include 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 a cup finely chopped onion, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 can original Rotel, a half a cup of heavy cream, 1 can 4 ounces of diced green chilies, 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, 2 cups of grated Monterey Jack cheese, tortilla chips and/or chopped veggies. Melt the butter in a pan on low to medium heat. Add the chopped onion to the melted butter and stir. Then add the minced garlic. Next, add the can of Rotel and stir. Add the diced green chilies and keep stirring. Add the cheese while stirring until thoroughly melted. Last, add the heavy cream. I used a whisk to incorporate the cheese because as it cooks, it will thicken. Once it's all melted, it's ready to serve up. I'm using a fondue dish with a can of sterno gel to keep it warm for my guests. If you can find an electric fondue set, that'll work great also. For all the salsas, any leftovers can be stored in the fridge for a couple of days. So that's how it's done. The trifecta, folks. Warm and delicious salsas. Time to serve up for the crowd. And if it's cocktail time, it goes great with a frozen margarita. I'll be posting a link for the frozen margarita in the description soon, so stay tuned, my friends. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.